Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy-to-understand insights. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanations of ingroups and outgroups coined by American sociologist William Sumner. Ingroups are groups with whom we emotionally identify, and they provide us with a sense of connection to society. The attention here is on the emotional connection. This means an ingroup can be any group or even category of people that we emotionally identify with, including feelings of belonging, security, shared values, interests, backgrounds, and experiences. People tend to be very loyal to their ingroups. On the other hand, outgroups stir in us feelings of antagonism, hostility, competition, and rivalry because they in some ways are interpreted as the opposite or different to our in-group identities. There are many examples of in-groups and out-groups. People can identify with many and not just one. A common example of an in-group is sports teams. People who are sports team fans might see themselves as part of the team, whether watching a game on TV, in person, or participating in social media interactions with other fans. Sports fans feel pride, loyalty, and community. A sports fan might purchase a season ticket, wear the team t-shirts or baseball hats, and analyze their statistics. These behaviors communicate their public support and result in strong feelings of belonging. Sometimes riots even break out due to the intensity of emotion during season finals. Our identification with in-groups and out-groups influences our behaviors. People tend to be more supportive, understanding, and trusting toward their in-group members. They might be more critical or suspicious or distant toward people in an out-group. These types of group dynamics can impact friendships, workplace relationships, and even larger societal issues like prejudice, discrimination, and conflicts between countries. In-groups and out-groups can have a polarizing effect and create an us versus them mentality that can lead to discrimination, violence, and even genocide. Contemporary and historical examples of in-group and out-group extreme rivalries include those related to race and ethnicity, gender, political affiliation, religious affiliation, and gang affiliation. In-groups reinforce unique parts of our self-identities that are important to us. An important societal function of in-groups is that they give us a sense of belonging in a modern society where many relationships and interactions tend to be impersonal, and loneliness as a societal issue as people seek connections in new ways. For example, interacting with celebrities and influencers on social media, joining online membership communities, and playing video games with teams and opposing players from around the globe all contribute to feelings of connection. Whether we take part in a neighborhood holiday decoration contest or feel a sense of loyalty to the brands we use, like Apple or Android, Coke or Pepsi. Studying these types of affiliations and interactions gives us an insight into not just how group influence our emotional states, but also how biases and prejudicial attitudes develop and continue. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.